2025 Mazda 3 hatchback. This sedan combines safety and comfort with style and performance. It delivers power and performance along with tons of features such as cross-traffic alert, lane keeping assist, side view mirrors with turn signals, lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, multi-zone air conditioning, blind spot monitor, heated side view mirrors, moonroof, backup camera, memory seat, power driver seat, pass-through rear seat, rain sensing wipers, Bluetooth. Make an appointment today to test drive this popular model.